Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about PLC GE programming. In the previous video, we already learned about the basic function block in part 1 and part 2 already. In part 1, I focus on the basic logic of function blocks like and or logic. Okay, and the part 2 I focus to the math basics of function block. Yes, and in this video I will focus to basic math continue about in the first is the modulus, and second is the negate, and third is the scaling. Okay, for modulus, normally it has a function or formula. Example, mode 2 and 3 equal 2, mode 3 and 4 equal 3, mode 10 by 2 equal 0. This is an example, and we will test our program by simulation. Okay, and here is the negate that normally it multiply by -1 for this function. Example, in number 2 equal -2, in number 3 equal -3, in number 10 equal -10. So it will multiply by -1. Okay, and the last one is the scale. So scale normally it has this formula. In it means that input value, and ILO it means that input low scale, this one, and OHI it means that high input, this one, and this one for OLO it means that low scale output, and IHI it means that high scale input, ILO it means that input low scale. Okay, so we will test it one by one in the program. So let's go to our program. Yeah, first we will open the Proficiency Machine Edition software. So let's open. I will choose the existing project because we no need to configuration the hardware. Okay, so let's start. And I will choose the one more for function block. This is a existing project that we learned already, so I will create the new function block. Example FB3. Okay, and go to main program, and then drag and drop the FB3 to the program main. Yes, and then open it. Yes, and then let's go to our tool chest and go to the FBD instruction and go to math. Okay, so first we will study about mode. Okay, so drag and drop the mode to this. Yes, and I will zoom in. for easy to see. Okay. Yes, this is a mode function. So in the slide, in our slide, example mode 2 in 1 is 2 and in 2 is 3 equal 2. So this one I can write mode. We must create the variable. Okay, example in 1 mode. Okay, and in 2 mode. Okay, and this is our mode. Yes, and the data type right now is the integer. Okay, integer, and output also integer. Okay, so we can test this block. Let's go save the program and then go to download to the PLC. Yes, and click OK. And then run the CPU. Okay, right now our slide in 1 is 2, right? And in 3 is 3 in 2 is 3. So the result equal 2. Okay, so I can write this one is 2 and this one is 3. So the result is 2. Okay, so it's correct. And one more, test one more. Example in 1 is 10, in 2 is 3 equal 2. Yes, so this one 10, 4, right? So equal 2. So it is correct. So this is a mode function, and in the next we can go to the Negate function. Okay, so go to the Negate function, click here and then drag and drop the logic. Yes, and this one example in Negate, and this one example out NEG. Okay, Negate. So we can test, save the program and download again. Yes, normally if I test 2, right, in is 2, the result is -2 because it multiplied by -1. Example 10, so it -10. Okay, so it's easy to understand for this Negate. So the last one for the scale, drag and drop the scale. Yes, and then this one is variable for adjustment for input. So example scale in or in scale. Yes, and this one is the input high, for example 2000, and this one is the input low, example 0. This one is the output high, example 5000. This one is the output low, example 100. Okay, So this is the result of scale. So I can write out scale, yes, and then save the program and then download. Yes, so right now the result is 100 because we setting the output low is 100 if the input is 0. So for example, input increase to 25, so the output will adjust by this formula. Okay, so this is a basic of math that like mode, negate and scale. So example, the scale is very important for scale. For example, scale the analog input or some number that we want to scale, so we can use this function. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please comment under my video about this logic, and don't forget like, comment and subscribe my video also to get more notification or more video that I will create step by step. Okay, so I hope everyone understand about this block, and I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next video. Bye bye.